I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally locked your NatWest card and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, find the Card Management section in the menu. This is usually located under Accounts or Cards. Step 3. Select your card. In the Card Management section, select the specific card you want to unlock. You may have multiple cards linked to your account. Step 4. Unlock your card. Look for the option that says Unlock Card and tap on it. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check confirmation. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message. If you don't see it, double check that you followed the steps correctly. Sometimes the app may take a moment to update. Now you're all set to use your card again. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to NatWest customer support.